Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a doorstop. This is going to be really easy. This apparently is where the old doorstop used to be. There was this little thing sticking out. So anyway, I checked the door and it does match up to the door. Just make sure you don't put the doorstop too far out, otherwise it'll obviously miss the door. But here we got our doorstop. We got our drill. We got our drill bit, which the drill bit will be slightly smaller than the screw. And we got a Phillips screwdriver. So, we got this. We got our screw. And we got the plate. So, here's what we do. First of all, we drill our pilot hole. And I guess we'll make it right about here, right below this, because this is lined up with the door. So, we're just going to drill a quick hole there. Okay, now we got the plate there and the screw. So now we're just going to screw it into the pilot hole there. Easy stuff, guys, easy stuff. Yes, and this will prevent holes from getting in your wall from the doorknob, because doorknobs have been known to smash through the drywall. Okay, we got that all situated. Now the hole is right there. There's a hole right there for the spring. Let's see, the spring sticks out right there. So what you do is you're going to slightly turn it. You're going to put the spring inside the hole. Here, I think I need to tighten this up a little bit more so it don't turn around. Not turning? Okay. Now we put the spring inside the hole, turn it around. And that's it, guys. Okay, let's test it out. Mission accomplished. Okay, guys, that was easy. Took less than 3 minutes. All right. Talk to you later.